Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust music on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and click on add sound and add any random sound that you want. So I'm going to add the first one. After adding the sound, then you need to record a video. So I'm going to record a random video. So once I record a video, I need to click on sound and then you need to click on the icon of scissor and adjust the sound according to your choice. So here you can see that I'm adjusting sound and then you need to click on done. So this is the process by which you can adjust music on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.